Hi, I'm Alice. Welcome to Korean Ladder, your radio-style climb through real Korean.
안녕하세요. 하나예요. 오늘도 쉽고 자연스럽게 배워요.
안녕하세요. 준호예요. 친구끼리 헤어질 때 쓰는 짧은 표현을 배워봐요.
Here's my problem. At the end of a hangout, I know. 안녕, but that feels too tiny. How do I say, I'm gonna go, get home safe, and I'll text you, like an actual friend?
좋은 질문이에요. In Korean, friends often use short banmal closings. They are warm, casual, and quick.
Today's three key lines are 나 먼저 갈게, 조심히 가, and 연락할게.
The main pattern is the casual promise ending, the ending 리을게 or 을게. It means I'll, often as a casual promise or decision said to the listener.
With friends, we usually do not add 요, here. 갈게 is casual. 갈게요 is polite.
So, 갈게 means I'll go, but it sounds like I'm telling my friend my plan in a friendly way.
맞아요. 나 먼저 갈게 means I'll head out first. It is very natural when you leave before your friend.
나 is I in Banmal. 먼저 means first. 갈게 is I'll go with the casual promise ending.
나 먼저 갈게. I'll head out first. That already feels more natural than just saying bye.
좋아요. In natural speech, 갈게 often sounds close to 갈게. The spelling stays 갈게.
Now the friend who stays or the friend sending you off can say 조심히 가.
조심히 means carefully and 가 means go. But in English, it often feels like get home safely.
So if my friend is leaving, I can say 조심히 가, like get home safe.
Exactly. Use 조심히 가 for the other person who is going away, not to mean I'll leave.
The third line is 연락할게. It means I'll contact you, or more naturally, I'll text you, or I'll be in touch.
연락 is contact. 할게 is I'll do with 하다 plus the ending 리을게.
연락할게. So literally I'll do contact, but real English is I'll text you or I'll be in touch.
맞아요. And pronunciation matters here. 연락할게 is spelled 연락할게, but naturally pronounced close to 연락할게. The 게 part sounds like 게.
Now let's hear the three lines in a tiny real goodbye between friends.
나 먼저 갈게.
조심히 가.
집에 가서 연락할게.
I like that. It's not a big goodbye speech. It's just three useful little pieces.
Let's unpack 집에 가서 연락할게. It means I'll contact you after I get home.
집에 is to home. 가서 means go and then. 연락할게 is I'll contact you.
Let me try the first line. 나 먼저 갈게.
좋아요. A little smoother. 나 먼저 갈게. 먼저 flows together and 갈게 can sound close to 갈게.
나 먼저 갈게.
좋아요. Now answer your friend with 조심히 가.
조심히 가.
완벽해요. Now promise to be in touch. 연락할게.
연락할게.
Nice. Now the common mistake. Using polite your endings with close friends when everyone is speaking 반말.
So if my friend says 나 먼저 갈게 and I answer 조심히 가요, is that wrong?
Not grammatically wrong. But if you are both close friends using 반말, 조심히 가 is the natural match.
조심히 가요 is polite. Use it for someone you are not in Banmal with or when you want a polite tone.
Another mistake would be saying 조심히 가 to mean I'll leave, right?
맞아요. To say I'll leave, say 갈게. To tell the other person go safely, say 조심히 가.
Quick check. Your close friend is leaving first. You want to answer in Banmal, which is most natural.
I'm choosing A. 조심히 가. B would mean I'm the one leaving first and C is polite.
정답이에요. A is the natural Banmal send-off for a close friend who is going away.
One more check. You are leaving first and you want to promise your friend you will text after you get home. Which sentence fits best?
A. 집에 가서 연락할게. That uses 연락할게. I'll text you as my promise.
맞아요. B mixes meanings and C sounds like you contact first, not I'll contact you. 정리해요. 첫째, 나 먼저 갈게는 I'll head out first. Use it when you are leaving before your friend.
둘째, 조심히 가는 get home safely. Say it to the other person who is going away, not to mean I'll leave.
셋째, 연락할게는 I'll contact you or I'll text you. It uses the casual promise ending, the ending 리을게.
넷째, 친구끼리는 요 없이 자연스럽게 말해요. In English, with close friends, keep the casual style consistent.
Today's keeper sentence is 나 먼저 갈게. I'll head out first. Then listen for 조심히 가 and 연락할게 in real goodbyes. Next, we'll build more casual promises with the endings 리을게 and 울게.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 나 먼저 갈게. Short, friendly, and very real.
수고하셨어요. Keep it natural, match the relationship, and we'll see you on the next rung of Korean ladder.